What's up? Today we're hanging out in Brentwood, Tennessee in the Rosebrook neighborhood, which if you've been watching my channel, you've probably seen my video on Rosebrook. If you haven't, you should definitely check it out. Rosebrook is one of the fastest selling, most popular neighborhoods selling right now in Brentwood for new construction homes. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's where the last fall's parade of homes was. It has so much to offer. Again, I already did a video on that though, so if you're interested in that, be sure to go check that out. We talk about the amenities, we talk about the homes, a lot of different things, but today we're gonna give you a sneak peek of a house that was just built here by Simple Homes. It's staged, it's ready to sell, it's absolutely gorgeous. You're not gonna wanna miss this. It's the epitome of Southern charm, and it's also kind of got that Charleston vibe, so it's just a gorgeous house. You are definitely gonna wanna see this. So stay tuned if you wanna walk this house with me. We're also gonna check out a Ford home later, so you'll wanna stay tuned for that as well. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Jennifer Gramling. I'm a real estate agent here in Nashville, Williamson County, and the surrounding area. I just put out videos trying to get you more familiar with the area. If you're thinking about moving here or relocating, this is gonna be a great channel for you, so be sure to subscribe, like this video if it's helpful to you. And like I said, I am an agent in the area, so if you have questions at all about moving here or relocating, be sure to reach out to me. You can find all my contact information in the description. You can call, text, email, however you want to get in touch, and we can get any and all of those relocating questions answered. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into this house. We're going to show you every inch of this house, and there's actually a lot, so this is not going to be a super quick tour. This house is almost 7,700 square feet. It's 5 bedrooms, 6 full baths, half bath. It's got a 4-car garage. It's on 0.71 acres, so it's on a really nice big lot. You've got room for a pool back in the backyard. We'll show you that in just a little bit. But first, let's show you the outside of this home. This home is absolutely gorgeous. It stuns. So let's go take a look at it. Okay, so let's go take a walk through this house. Again, like I said, this is so beautiful, built by Simple Construction. Like I said, it's really just got that Charleston feel to it, that really Southern charm, Southern flair. I love all of the details in this house that you'll notice as we walk through here. The flooring, the tile, the doorknobs, the glass doorknobs that are absolutely gorgeous. So many details, too many to list, but you can see them in this video, and I really think you're gonna appreciate it. It's so amazing. So you have your office on the front right corner of the house, on the opposite corner of the house. And then as you enter into the great room is going to be open to your gourmet kitchen. And again, just loads more details that you'll see in here. And there's a lot of things to note as we go through this house and things that you're going to notice. In the primary closet, there's a tornado room or a safe room, whatever you want to use that for, which is reinforced for storms and things like that. So if that is something that's important to you, you will have a tornado room or a safe room in that primary closet. You've got a luxurious primary spa bath that's got a steam shower and dual water closets. You've got a prep kitchen behind the main kitchen, which is super helpful. You've got an oven, you've got a warming drawer, you've got an additional refrigerator, sink, and loads more storage with tons of character. You've got a main floor guest suite as well, which is really nice to have when you have guests in town or parents in town, to have your guests on that main floor. You've got a wine room. You've got an upper level bonus room with a full bath, a loft with a bar, and a flex room. So just so much is packed into this house. And then once we get out back, you'll see there's actually a pool bath in the back as well, which is already plumbed and ready to go. This backyard is going to be perfect for a pool, so wait till you see that. And then you've already got your covered outdoor living space out there with a fireplace, outdoor kitchen, and like I said, that full bath for use with the future pool. And you'll see that this courtyard in the back when we get there is perfect for a pool. So it's got a great location for that pool, and then you'll also have more grass space. Since this lot is oversized and extra large, you'll still have grass space. If you have pets or kids that want to play and have that green space, you'll have room to have a pool and still have green space back there, which is also really nice. And just to recap, this is by Simple Homes. This is going to be 5 bedrooms, 6 full baths, and 1 half bath. You've got that 4-car garage and almost 7,700 square feet. So a lot of room here. And like I said, just tons of details. And there is so much going on in this neighborhood. You're really close to so many things. So do be sure to check out that video on Rosebrook so you can see what all the neighborhood has to offer in addition to this great home. Okay, so that's it. That's the Sipple home. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you love this home, if this is your style, if you like something more modern. There's a lot of different styles of homes by a lot of different builders in this neighborhood, so a lot of homes to choose from, but this is a fantastic example of what Sipple does. This is a gorgeous house. Let me know if you have any questions. If you need any help, reach out to me. Again, like, subscribe, and don't hesitate to reach out. Call, text, email, however you want to get in touch, and we can get all those moving questions answered. Whether you're looking here in Rosebrook or somewhere else, happy to get any and all of those relocating questions answered, so don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much, and I'll see you on the next video.